Howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today I am doing a walkthrough of the mini album that I made using this Gather at Home 48 page paper pad. This is a Carta Bella paper pad. I also used some of the chipboard embellishments from the collection as well. So this album is 6.5 by 6.5. The pages on the inside are 6.25 by 6.25, and the spine is 3.5. So the front cover I kept pretty simple. I used pink as like my base color, and then I used a soft kind of green, kind of minty-ish green, for another base. And then this is one of the cut-aparts from the collection. I used a couple of chipboards from it as well, and then I just layered the cut-apart on some of the pink and green, and then I added a couple of flowers. So my spine I left simple. I just wrapped it with some like faux crocodile kind of black paper, and this is another one of the cut-aparts from the, or not cut-aparts, chipboard from the collection. And then the back, again, I left pretty simple. I used the same layering here, and then two more chipboard pieces, and this one just says homemade with love. So I did make some crinkled seam binding in a pink to match this. So I just used some of the Tim Holtz Spun Sugar Distress ink to dye it. So it just opens like this. There are 6 pages, and I kept it pretty simple. So this is just a cute little pocket. These are just some flat back pearls on a string, I guess. And these are all just some cut-aparts from the collection, and I just layered them. And then on the back of each one is the photo mat. And then this interferes with this a little bit, so it's a little, I don't know if you can really tell, but this has a little pull out. So we have some more photo mats there, and this is another one of the cut apart, and this just opens like this. We have a photo mat here, photo mat, this is a spot for journaling, and another photo mat. And then we have, and I did back it on both sides. So this is just another cut apart. It says our life, our journey, our home, and it lists down, it is magnetized. So we have another photo mat here. This is just a little tag that I tucked in, and then we have another couple photo mats here. So these, I have a little, so these are open, so you can tuck something in there if you want. This slides. So this slides back and forth, and then these open. And just holds them in place. Then we have another insert. This is pretty basic. So this is just another one of the cut-aparts. It says Family Time on it. It is magnetized, so that's how it stays closed. And this just opens like this. This paper here is not actually part of the collection. It was just some extra paper that I had from Stampin' Up. It did kind of go with the collection, so it gave me a little bit of extra to work with. So this just says Simple Life, and this is a magnet. And this just opens like this. These are pockets. They're kind of like mini pockets. You could stick something in there if you wanted. And of course, another mat. And then these I just left very plain. So this opens this way and then this way. And again, this is not part of the collection. It's from that same set from Stampin' Up. And then again, from the set from Stampin' Up. And then this just opens like this. So these are mirrored. And then these are just a couple of chipboards. And this one just says, thankful, grateful, blessed. And then we have, so this is my first attempt at making one of these. I'm actually quite pleased with how it turned out. So there's just a little tab here that you can pull with, and this just says enjoy these moments. This is that green matching cardstock that I've been using throughout, and I just ran it through a script embossing folder to give it a little bit more dimension. So this is actually one of the cut aparts from the collection, and this just opens. This is magnetized. This is another one of these that seem to be so popular. So you got a big one here and two small ones here, and then there are ones on either side as well. And then another one of our mats. This is just a little tuck pocket. So we have life is better with you, let's stay home, and welcome. And then there are photo mats on the back. So this just says our happy place, and this is just a couple sets of pockets, I guess. So this is a pocket, and then this is a pocket. So, and I just have some cut aparts. This one says home again. Welcome to our home. Together we make a family. Bless this house, and another family time. And then of course, another one of our mats. This is pretty basic. It says welcome to our home. It is magnetized, and so we have our life, our journey, our home, and another photo mat. And then these are some vertical pockets. So it just says home is where your story begins. And then I have some more cut aparts with photo mats on them. So together we make a family, bless this house, welcome, and enjoy these moments. So that's the album. It's somewhat basic, but I had a lot of fun working with this collection. The colors in it are just, they're beautiful. I love the colors in this one. So I won't be doing a tutorial on this one. I didn't film while I was making it, but I hope that you enjoyed the walkthrough. And as always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button.